Hello guys and welcome to another YouTube video. Today I'll be showing you how do you create a Discord account on your phone, on iOS, on Android, basically everywhere, even on your PC or Mac, whatever you use. The process is pretty much similar. So first of all, now I will be using the Discord app in my case, but there's also a Discord website, which is I think discordapp.com. You can just Google it and you'll find it. The first search should be the first search result, my bad. Now I'm gonna open my Discord, and this is what you probably see when you open your Discord for the first time. Now when you press register, there are two options that you can either use your phone number or your email address. So I'm not gonna make a new account since I already have one, but I can guide you through the process. You're going to be entering your phone number here, and once you enter your phone number, you're gonna press next, and it's going to send you a verification code on your SIM. So you need to make sure that you're using an actual phone number that you have access to, so there's no problem for you to activate the account. Similar is the case with the email. Usually your phone number and email both are linked for a to the same account, and you can log in. For example, if I go to my login, then I can use my email or my phone number, and I can enter my password and it would log me in. So I'm not going to do that in right now, but that is essentially the case as far as registering and logging in is concerned. You can make your account from the register button. You can then you'll be sent a code to verify. As soon as you verify that code, you will be logged into Discord, and you can join the servers your friends invite you to. But you should know one thing, that you cannot search for servers on the phone app, but you can indeed do it on the PC app. There should be a list of servers on the left side, and on the in the last button should let you browse for servers you might be interested in. So that's pretty much it from this video. I hope this video is helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.